friends, welcome back to my channel Rossy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. This is a lob case hamper with lights. It contains 20 to 25 photos and a lot of stickers and quotes. Here I have added a matchbox, message bottle, mini scrap card, envelope, sticker card and pop-up box. It can be customized to any theme. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you guys want to learn how to make this, please let me know on the comment section below. We'll definitely post the tutorial very soon. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you all.